नमस्ते, बड़ों को प्रणाम और मेरे सभी दोस्तों को प्यार।
How is up, lifenturers? It's me, Aaka. Welcome to our channel, and you are watching Aaka's Lifenture. Guys, my television is behind me. You can see, and I'm talking about this television itself. So, I know you are thinking that what might be special about my television. It's an Android TV, and nowadays all the televisions are Android televisions, and it has all those kinds of app. You can download the app and install the app in the television. So, but there is some things which are special in my television, and I have been using this television for around 3 years. It was the cheapest television in 4K at 43 inch when I bought it, and there is a beautiful story also when I brought the television. I'll tell you the story in between. So at first now, just take a look guys. You can see that I think the volume button is getting plus and minus. So I'm facing towards you, the remote is with me, but my television, everything is working. So I press the home button and it reaches the home button, and I need not face the television, that's it. But this is one of the specialty of this television, and maybe the technology from 3 years before has become so much big that by now these things are most probably common in most of the televisions which are available at the market. And this is one of the features of the television, but there is something more which I want to show. Oh no guys, I crashed it. As an Android TV, you can connect a mouse, you can connect a keyboard, but the special thing about this television is that it has a inbuilt gyroscope inside its remote. If you can see the marking out here, is written gyroscope. So the best feature of my television is that it has a gyroscope inbuilt, and you can use this remote as though you are using your mobile phone and tilting the screen to play the games guys. So it's a very good feature, and I like this feature very much. You can play other games also, I'll show you in between. And this is the main thing which I like about my TV. With the gyroscope you can play games. There are some games which are inbuilt, which you can play, some games which you can download from the Play Store and play it like as though you are playing with your mobile phone. The story behind this television is that I purchased this television from Siliguri. If you have seen my blogs and all, you will be knowing where is Siliguri. And in Siliguri I searched everywhere. I searched the Cosmos, I searched the city center, and I searched the Hong Kong market, the main market of Siliguri, and so many other places. I didn't find the TV. I was searching for a 50-inch television, the Micromax 50-inch of the same model, and I couldn't find it. And while returning back home, when I was coming from the main market of Siliguri, the Sivokmore market and all, there is a small furniture shop, and my eyes was just going inside the shop. It saw there was television, and I went and asked him, and they had this television guys. And like that shop is just 5 minutes walkable distance from my home, and I searched the whole Siliguri to get this television, and lastly I found it just inside my house. So guys, I'll show you another game. I'll set up the game and I'll show you another game which is a very common, very known game you might have played when the starting of the Android system was coming into existence, and you'll see that game playing with the help of this remote. I hope guys you remember this game, Racing Moto. With this you have to keep the mouse button pressed, and then we'll use the remote for gyro. So I'll show you playing this game. So guys, you could see me playing the racing motor, and I'll show you the home interface, and you can see road fighter, virtual table tennis, and this one is the Gia games, which has the inbuilt games, but at present it's not working. They have stopped the interface. So you could see the guys, me playing the games with the help of gyroscope in the remote. One of the special features of this game. And with this game, there is one more application I'll show you in a seconds. Lifenturers, I'm feeling very sleepy, and Gantok, our location is very cold. Taking out hands from the quilt is like a burden of working for 10 hours. If you take out your hands may freeze. So I want to switch off my television, and I'll switch it off from inside. So guys, this is one of the advantages. You don't need to face my television. I don't need to point it towards the television and do the work. I can keep it inside my pocket like this. I'll keep it inside my pocket and on the television set. And you can see it's starting to get on. I don't have the remotes, guys. I hope you like my television set, and anything whichever I buy it with an intensive study. I watch about it in the YouTube. My camera which I'm vlogging, I've watched about it, I searched, I researched about it, and I try to buy which is the most perfect. Maybe that's because I can't expend more than what is my capability, and I need to buy something which is very much perfect in my budget. So the things which I try to buy are always usually those kinds of things in that budget, the best things which is available. So again guys, I'll press the home button towards you, and my television will show the home button. Okay, it's loading, and you can see the home button, guys. So I hope you liked the video. It was a bit informative about the gyroscope and all. Maybe some of the televisions at present, they are having gyroscope, and usually they have the ear mouse. This one also has the ear mouse. So if I press the button, you see the mouse, okay, but it does not move in the movement. You have to use the keys and all to move it. So if you like the video, guys, please give me the like, and do share my videos. It will be helpful, and do subscribe to our channel so that our family members increases, and I'll get और भी ज़्यादा आप लोगों का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का प्यार. Over and out.